Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at the healing tool in Lightroom and now the 3 modes that are available to you with the healing tool. My name is Jason Yoder, and on my channel I share with you my photography and the adventures I have in capturing my images. I also share with you how to sell those images to help pay for your travel. So in today's episode, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working with Lightroom to show you how to kind of clean up your images a little bit so you can get better sales. Now, when selling your images in the stock photography world, they have to be clean. You have to eliminate dust and you have to eliminate any distracting elements. So this tool is going to help you do that. With the healing tool, you can replace parts of your image with other parts of that same image. Let's talk first about the clone setting. This setting allows you to replace one part of your photo with another. You can use this to remove spots in the skies or any distracting elements. You can choose the size of the brush and its opacity level. The feather feature allows you to gradually transition from the original image to the cloned image to make that transition less noticeable. Down at the bottom, you can also use the visual spots feature to help you better see lens dust. In healing mode, this will blend the detail and color of the sampled area with the brightness of the area that you're working on. This may give you better results than the cloning feature. The new feature is the content aware setting. With this feature, the healing tool actually analyzes parts of the image to try and find the content that is best to fill in the area that you're trying to replace. Resizing the fill circle to just a bit larger than the area that you are replacing it with generally gives you better results. You don't want to have an area that's too big because that's going to cause the AI to have to analyze a lot of extra data. So we try to keep it just a bit bigger than the content that you're trying to cover up. Now let's say, for example, you don't really like the area, the result. Well, take a look at this. There's a refresh button. Now what this does is it tells Lightroom to reanalyze the image and try to pull content from other parts of the image. So clicking refresh a few times may also give you better results. Remember, if you're going to be selling your images, you have got to have good discipline to look all over the image and remove any distracting elements. If you're using this feature in Lightroom, let me know in the comments below. And if you have an additional tip to go along, put it in there as well. Thank you all for watching. If you want to support this channel further, please click that subscribe button and then go check out patreon.com/EWJ. There, my support team gets a weekly new 4K desktop background, and my expedition team also gets early access to all my video content and also some private photo shoot video content as well. All the proceeds from Patreon goes back into this channel and helps me to replace my equipment. Thank you all for watching. Enjoy your travels, enjoy your photography, and take care.